Hello, friends. Our topic in this video is about how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024. To download Microsoft Office 2024 first, create here one folder and name this Office 2024. And then bring it here. And then open Google Chrome and search Office Deployment Tool. Here click on this first link. And here scroll down and click on Download. When download complete, then click on Download icon. Here click on Downloads folder. And here right-click on Office Deployment Tool. And then click on Run as Administrator. Here mark this box. And then click on Continue. Here select Office 2024 folder. That has just been created. And click on OK. And then here click on OK. And then minimize both of them. And open Office 2024 folder. Then here delete Configuration Office file. And then click on Google Chrome. And here click on New tab. And search Office Customization Tool. Here click on this first link. And select here architecture 32-bit or 64-bit. So my laptop has 64-bit architecture. So I select 64-bit. And then scroll down. And select here Office Suites product. Select here Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. And then scroll down. And here turn on or off to include apps or exclude them from being deployed. So here, turn on whichever you want to keep on, otherwise turn off. And click on Next. Select here Language English United States. And scroll down. And here click on Next. And then scroll down. And click on Next. Then here scroll down. And click on Next. And then on here accept license terms. And then scroll down. And click on Next. Then scroll down. And click on Next. And then scroll down. And click on Finish. And then click on Export. Here click on Office Open XML Formats. And click on OK. And here mark this box. And click on Export. When download complete, then click on Downloads folder. And right-click on Configuration file. And copy it. And then minimize both of them. And then paste in Office 2024 folder it. And close it. And then copy Office 2024 folder. And open this PC. Here open C drive. Right-click here. And click on Paste. And then open it. And click on Address bar. And then copy this folder path by pressing Ctrl+C. And then here click on Search bar. And type here CMD. And right-click on Command Prompt. And click on Run as Administrator. Here type CD space. And then press Ctrl+V to paste folder path. And press Enter. And then click on Google Chrome. And here click on New tab. And search Deploy Office 2024. Here click on this first link. Then here scroll down. Here don't copy this command. Scroll down. Copy this command. So here click on Copy. And then click on Command Prompt. Here press Ctrl+V to paste command. And press Enter. And then here wait for download. When download is complete, then here click on Close. And close it. And close both of them also. And here click on Download folder. And close it also. And then here click on Start button. So here are all apps downloaded that we turned on. So bring them to the desktop like this. And then organize them. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.